Welcome back, Stubbies, and if you're new here, hey friend. Today we are going to be doing a Ipsy video. That's right, I got an Ipsy bag for June, but it's not your typical bag. Okay, honey? Before we get into this video, I'm going to need y'all to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that way you can see when your girl posts videos. So, let's get into the video. So, I have here an Ipsy bag for June. And guess what, honey? We didn't upgrade it, boo. We didn't upgrade it. We didn't came up in life, okay? Okay? So let me show you what your girl is talking about. Bam. Okay, so we ain't got no little bitty pencil case no more, okay? We got a bag. A bag of what? Full-size products. That's right, your girl decided to upgrade for a month to see how she would like it. So let's get into it. This is June's Ipsy theme. It's Do You. Bold moves only, period. This month, amp up everything that makes you happy. Glitter liners, rainbow accents, and celebrate the beauty that comes from being you. Get into this month's theme, boo. So this is June 2021, the Bold Beauty Challenge, okay? So yeah, this card is all about being bold, all right? So whether your go-to shade is nude, try coral, because mine is really nude. Like, when it comes to lips, I be scared to get all bold. Like, the red lip, I feel like I look like a clown. Like, pink is me going bold, okay? Like, I like nudes, glosses. I like a simple lip liner and a nude color and a gloss. Like, gloss is really my go-to. So it says, if you love a neutral eye, try rose gold. Now, I don't mind trying like different eyeshadows and stuff like that. As you all know, y'all watch my tutorials. And if you're a fan of a liquid liner that's black, try white. Try glitter. I definitely need to try a glitter cut crease, so that'll be in the making soon. And if you're into more muted tones, try neon. So we're all about being bold this month, guys. We're all about being bold. So our first product is the K-Voss Blushing Beauty Luminous Blush Palette. So this is what it looks like, and it has 3 colors, which is the Coral, Rosy, and Peaches. So this is what it looks like. So these are the 3 colors, and it comes with a mirror as well. I love the fact that it comes with a mirror, so that way I can just apply my blush. I wonder how pigmented these shades are. I know I already kind of have on blush, but I want to try it out. So I'm gonna try the peach, which is this color here. I'm gonna try that, see how it looks. See how pigmented it is. Okay. I like. So this actually retails for $36. And this is, like I said, this is the full-size version of this product. And this product is also vegan and cruelty-free. And it's also made with all natural ingredients. So next we have our Pureless Pineapple Bright Gel Cream. So it's a lightweight oil-free gel cream that refreshes and moisturizes your skin. So I have oily skin, and this is good for oily and combination skin. So this is what it looks like. Let's open it. So this is what it looks like when you open it. You know, I always gotta smell it. So let me open this. It does smell like pineapple. Okay. So the benefits of this is it's a powerful antioxidant that moisturizes skin and even skin tone, which is something I need with all these dark marks on my face. The citrus blend helps brighten complexion for a glowy finish. The vitamin C fights against free radicals. Camu helps prevent premature aging and improves skin texture. So I can't wait to try this. And it also says it's great for everyday use. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna be trying this. And this is the full size version. Basically everything in this bag is full size because this is the GLAM bag plus. So everything in this bag is full size, and this retails for $24. Okay, so let's see our next product. Okay, so our next product is actually 111 Skin Harley St. London Rose Gold Radiant Booster. So this is what it looks like. And let's open it up. Okay, it's cute. I like the way this looks. Okay, so this is supposed to illuminate the face. Okay, so the directions are to shake well before use. Mix 1 to 2 drops into the palm of your hand with your favorite moisturizer, or apply directly to skin after cleansing. Okay, so this is supposed to basically give you that glow. Okay, so after you clean your face and you moisturize, this is something that you would apply to your face. Wow. And guys, this stuff is expensive. Okay, this stuff actually retails for $135. I'm shocked. I'm sorry, I'm shocked. So this better work good. I mean, I know I didn't pay my money for it, but this better be good. This better work good. Okay, this stuff expensive, so it better not be expensive for no reason. Like, next we have some foundation. So this is by the brand Real Her. I'm thinking that's what it's called. It says I Am Remarkable Power Wear Probiotic Foundation. So this is what the box looks like. Okay, so it says shake well, apply a small amount to the center of the face, and then just blend outward. So from what the directions say, it seems like a little goes a long way. So I'm gonna have to try this in my next Get Ready With Me, and I'm hoping that this is the right shade, because sometimes they don't always give the right shade. So we're gonna see. But this is in Sienna. So we are going to see. And this retails for $36. Okay, so our last product that comes in this bag is the Sugar Lip Scrub by Hannah Lee. I think I'm pronouncing it right. So this is what it looks like. So it is a sugar lip scrub, which I am excited to have because normally I make my own lip scrubs. But I don't have to make them anymore with this because like, it's always good to scrub your lips and keep them moisturized, because I hate when my lips get dry and they get all that dead skin. I hate it. It's disgusting. So I'm gonna actually try this out. It smells so good, y'all. I can smell lemon for sure. Let me see what's in this, the ingredients. So it has shea butter in it. It's made with fatty acids, vitamin A and C from the cuckoo nut oil, whatever that means. It's spelled K-U-K-U-I. And it's supposed to repair chapped lips, and the shea butter helps with the moisture. And it has like Hawaiian botanicals and cane sugar, papaya, you know, things of that nature. So, and this retails for $25. So I'm gonna try this out. I have a little bit on my finger. This stuff smells amazing. Okay, I taste a little bit by accident, and it tastes amazing too. It definitely tastes amazing too. But yeah, it says you are supposed to massage it to lips to exfoliate the dryness and then wipe it away with a tissue. So that's what we're doing. Not me licking the sugar, the extra sugar off my lips. Oh my God, that's how you know I'm hungry. Y'all. Don't come for me, don't make fun of me. So, that is all for our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So this is what the bag looks like. I'm not too crazy about it, but I guess it's cute. You know, because the Ipsy Glam bags, they have more of a cute design to them, more character, I would say. So I don't know, I guess we'll see what the next bag looks like. And stay tuned for my Get Ready With Me's, because some of these products will be featured in those videos and they'll be used, so that way you get to see how I like them or how I might not like them. So we will see, but I'm staying positive. All of the information will be linked below in the description box if you're interested in getting a glam bag, or if you're interested in going straight to the Glam Bag Plus. Then they have another glam bag a step above that one. So yeah, all of that information will be in the link below. Also remember to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so that way you can see when your girl posts videos. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Until next time, peace.